Son parceros.
Sí, sí, sí.
¿De dónde? ¿De dónde? ¿Cuál parte en Colombia?
No, somos
No.
peruanos, Ecuador y
Perú, Lima, Ecuador. ¿Y qué?
Turquía.
Nicaragüense. Yo conozco Nicaragua. Sí. So today, I'm exploring one of Madrid's most diverse districts. I'm in Carabanchel, where Carabanchel passes and turns into Usera. It's known to be possibly one of the most dodgiest areas, but I would say it's delightful. Let's find out.
Hola.
Spain's climate's pretty good for peaches. They are growing. So gated windows are really common throughout Latin America for obvious reasons. In Madrid, I would say they're not that common. Really just depends on where you are. And as such, we're in Abrantes right now. It sort of is a signal of, I guess, the type of neighborhood you're in. Phase 2 in Madrid means most restaurants are open at a limited capacity. We can leave at any hour of the day, and life's sort of back to normal, with the exception of mandatory masks if you can't maintain a 1.5 meter distance. So, yeah, the virus is present. It's lurking, but we're almost through. So in this particular neighborhood of Madrid, we are in Carabanchel still. This is sort of the living quarters, at least how they appear on the outside. I would say a lot of these are actually pretty nice on the inside, and they're probably gonna run you at around $300 a room. Usually 3-bedroom, 900 euros, not bad. Cheap compared to Western US standards in other parts of Europe. You gotta remember the wages here are a lot. And this is Metro and bus station Plaza Elliptica, which is a pretty central bus station that will get you all around Spain if you catch a bus here. For example, if you want to go to Toledo, you would catch this bus at this station. And now we're crossing into Usera. So I just left Plaza Elliptica and I'm now entering the district of Usera, Madrid's most diverse barrio, diverse neighborhood. I would say the biggest ethnic group are Bolivians, but there's an assortment of Latinos, Middle Easterns, Eastern European, and there's actually a Chinatown. Let's check it out. I'm on Calle Marcela Usera, which is the name of a historically famous businessman in Madrid. And you can already see that this neighborhood is different than the majority of neighborhoods in Madrid. The infrastructure is different, it's more culturally diverse. There's even a Chinatown within this barrio that I'm exploring here. One thing about this neighborhood is the population density is really, really high. So there's a lot of people that live per square kilometer in comparison with other neighborhoods. This could definitely be described as a working class neighborhood, but I can almost guarantee you that the crime rate is actually pretty low here. In general, the crime rate in Madrid is very, very low. You almost never hear of murders, especially random murders. Little to no gun violence. I guess the most you gotta deal with would be pickpocketing and sophisticated scams in the tourist areas. So you can see how in Madrid, with such a high population density, that a quarantine confined to the house without being able to leave to go to the park to have exercise, you can see how it was hard for us here. It was definitely hard. Us in Italy were the strictest countries in Europe, and just to be able to be out right now while still maintaining social distance and enjoy the fresh air at any hour of the day is really amazing. It just makes you appreciate the little things. We're nearing sunset. It's about 9:50 p.m. Summer solstice is approaching, about 11 days away. All right, notice the Chinese characters. Ni hao. So we are in Chinatown, or at least a portion of it, within Usera. Like I said, this neighborhood's really diverse. We got a old school Pau Gasol fan. Here's like the fourth fruit and vegetable store. In Spanish it would be called a fruteria. And this would be called a panaderia, bread store, Colombian bread store. All right. Here's one of Madrid's main rivers. Here is El Matadero, Legazpi, Atocha, and just missed the sunset, but still got some good views. Esto es la luz ahora. Y a ver. ¿Qué música? ¿Cómo se llama esta música?
Bachata.
Bachata, ¿eh? Eso.
Yo la conozco,
Son parceros.
Sí, sí, sí.
¿De dónde? ¿De dónde? ¿Cuál parte en Colombia?
No, somos
No.
peruanos, Ecuador y
Perú, Lima, Ecuador, ¿y qué?
Turquía.
Nicaragüense. Yo conozco Nicaragua. Sí. Yo he vivido en Costa Rica.
Ah, está al lado, está al lado.
Entonces la frontera está ahí. No, pero lo voy a conocer. Turco. Buen kebabs, buenos kebabes. Qué rico. Ok.
Cerró su kebab.
Chao a la cámara. It's past 10 o'clock. Lots of people are still out even on a Wednesday night. Check this bridge out. Julián, vamos a investigar. A ver qué pasa. Wow. Está súper bonito, ¿eh? ¿Tú sabes qué es el Matadero?
No.